Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the fish tank. And today we have a after vacation mail call. So, as a lot of you know, I just went on vacation last week and I am finally back. So, I finally have a moment to do some unboxings. Well needed unboxings. I've been waiting for these arrivals for a long time. So, we have stuff from our good friend Thomas Ward over at Caliber 50s Customs. We got some stuff from Double B's Customs, aka Brett. So I have a feeling that Oldsmobile that he did for me for the Build for Build challenge might be in this box. So I'm really excited to see if that's the case. Excuse me. And we got a package from our friend Miguel. He is the winner from my 41 Ford giveaway. If you guys haven't seen that video, please go check it out. So before we jump into it, guys, I would like to explain myself. So as of late, I know I have not posted a lot, and I wanted to clarify some stuff. This summer I've been very busy. I've been working a lot, and I have not had a lot of energy or motivation to do a lot of car videos, but that's gonna change. So for the next couple months, I've been working on some videos in advance. So this is the next build that will be coming out, this Mustang. A lot of you have seen me been doing some work on it. So this is my next video. And we have a lot of videos falling. So we're going to be doing this Capri as well. Had some just suggestions on Instagram. So we're going to take it apart, do a wheel swap, do the details, and call it a day. And we got plenty of other builds. But I just wanted to let you guys know that car videos might be a little slower, but we still have a lot of them planned. Also, we are taking part in a lot of the challenges. So, like, for example, the 4 Horsemen will be doing the Studebaker build. I plan on participating this month. And a lot more. So guys, make sure to stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy this unboxing because I am very excited to see what we got. Guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos. Alright, let's jump into this. So, the first box that I'm gonna open is Brett's from Double B's Customs. So, as you see here, there's a note. Hang on, I want to check to make sure there's no address on here. There is not. And our note says, Cole, hope you like the cars. Here's a few extras as a belated birthday present as well. Thank you, Brett, for that. This build-off was a lot of fun to do, and glad we came up with the idea. Looking forward to do more with a lot of other builders. As always, keep up the great work, man. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you, Brett. I appreciate you sending that note, man, and this note will be added to the note pile, so thank you very much. Next, what I see here is a sticker. Brett, you are finally going to be a part of the sticker wall, as everyone knows, so your sticker will be up there. If you guys want to purchase or get in contact with Brett to get one of his stickers, please go DM him on Instagram. I will put his Instagram and his YouTube down below, and I will do that as well for every unboxing I do here too, just in case you want to get in contact with these awesome builders. So always remember that. Next, so I won't lie to you, Brett, I kind of did a sneak peek and I did see the olds, and you were right. Pictures and video did no justice for this car. You were right. So I loved how you wrapped this, man. It was very professional, I have to say, and it's very well done. So I'm pretty amazed. I'm gonna keep that box because I can use that for my stuff. But just look at this. So what he told me is he redid the roof. I'm guessing he redid these lines and the vinyl roof, because it actually looks like vinyl. and that's pretty. Got that cut off. My phone sadly just died, so we're gonna continue. So if you remember, what we were just looking at was the Oldsmobile, and Brett, awesome enough, he put it into this glass Hot Wheels box and put his logo on it. So dude, I really appreciate that. That's really cool, and it's gonna make me remember that car and who it's from. So next we have a, oh my gosh, I am burpy, I apologize guys. We have some more cars, it looks like, and it looks like a Dodge and a Cuda of something, potentially. So what do we got here? Ugh. So it looks like we got a Dodge 70s Power Wagon. That is cool. I've seen people have these, but I never got one. The only Power Wagon I got is this one right here, and it's the crew cab. But this is cool too. This one is probably gonna go in the collection and on the wall, but I never know. If I get another one, I'll probably do something with it. So that's sweet. Next we have this little bag, and it looks like it was never opened. So carefully, oh my gosh, I said carefully, and I just cut myself. I can't believe that. Carefully open this, and this is cool. I have one of these boxes, believe it or not, these Cuda boxes, but that was from Chuck, but I have two now, so that's pretty cool. And whoa, this is, I know this is just a simple casting, but this is cool. This is a, wow, this is a very, very detailed casting, actually. The wheels have the Goodyear on them, detailed in the back, front end detailed. The only thing I would do with this car is I'd finish the details in the grille, do the lights in yellow, and put a Cuda's license plate on the back. But that's awesome. That's beautiful. Thanks, man. I am just, that paint is so pretty on that. We're gonna put that back in the box. But wow, I didn't know you could get these little boxes like this so easily. But that's cool. Put that on the ground, and then the last thing from Brett, this big old something or other. I'm not sure what it is. Like he said, my birthday was in June, guys, so I didn't really announce it because I didn't want all the like all the what do you want to call it? All the I'm sorry, guys. All the what do you say? All the attention. Ooh, the Fast and Furious 70s Plymouth Roadrunner. That's pretty sweet. That's cool. I'm a big Fast and Furious fan, so that makes me happy to see. That's awesome. What do we got here? Oh, nice. At the 70s Charger from the Fast and Furious. If you guys remember, I made a rusty one of these, and it turned out awesome. But this is cool. I can actually maybe put wheels back on that other one that I have. That's awesome. What do we got here? Ooh, we have a neat streeter. It looks like it's the Hot Ones. Let's see what year this is from. 2011, so it's a 2011 model. But this is cool. I know it's a replica, but it's a metal base, and that's beautiful. I have one, but it's missing actually nothing, but it's the yellow one. So this is pretty sweet. And then the last car that we got from our friend here is this 2011 Charger. We have a 2019 Charger, actually. So, and believe it or not, this is my favorite body style of this, and I'm actually excited because I could use this for a build-off that is coming up soon. So this is awesome. Here's that 2019 that I was talking about. Might even be a 2020, I'm not sure. But that's cool. Brett, thank you so much, man. These are so awesome, and you are such an amazing guy. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it, and I owe you. I know I sent you stuff, but I owe you big. Alright, guys, so let's move on. next we are moving on to Thomas's box from Caliper 50s Customs, and he did a custom car for me. It was a Cuda, and he likes to build cars for fellow builders like myself and just big names, and he likes to send them to them. So he DM'd me on Instagram a while ago, and he was like, hey, I entered you in a contest and you have won, and I built you a car and I did a video on it. I was like, cool, man, that's awesome. And he's like, I'm new to YouTube, and if you don't mind, can you go check the video out? And I was like, sure, man, I would love to go check your videos out. And believe it or not, the video was so cool, and he has a very awesome intro. I was just amazed. I was like, wow, this guy's actually cool and awesome. I didn't know what I was going to expect. So anywho, he sent me the car, and I'm finally going to see it in person. So guys, before I move on, please go check out Caliper 50s Customs here on YouTube and on Instagram. Link will be down below, and it'll be in the little bar right here. So let's see what he sent us. So as it looks like, he sent us some decals, and that's pretty cool because we could build, like, we can put them on one of my race cars maybe. Maybe we can make them like a sponsor. So we could use these. That's pretty cool. He has some cool looking decals, and we're gonna have to check those out. We got paper. Always could use paper. Some bubble wrap. Could always use more bubble wrap. Oh, we got something more. We got something more. Whoa, that's cool. So I am a big Fast and Furious fan and a big Dukes of Hazzard fan. So he did a video on this Dukes generally 2010. Well, it's a Charger, and he did the wheel just came off. That's lovely. I'm gonna have to fix that. And he made a modern General Lee custom, and this is awesome. This one's going on the workbench for sure, and I was not expecting this at all. So that is awesome. That is my first General Lee custom that I own. So dude, thank you very much. That is sick. So let's see what else is here. I think the Cuda is in here too. It's right here actually. So let's put the box down. And oh wow, he said this thing was cool, and I believed him. I just didn't know what it looked like. Oh, it's stuck on the paper. But wow, look at that, guys. Big old motor, nice big spoiler, freaking wheels, brand new. This is beautiful. That's going into the collection as well. So Thomas, thank you, man. I really appreciate the builds. I love them. They go into the collection, and look out for them up here because they will be featured every once in a while. Last but not least, guys, we are going to move on to Miguel, our good friend Miguel. And there's only one car in here. And the story with this car was, he emailed me a while ago, and he's like, hey, can you check out one of my builds? And I was like, Miguel, I would love to check out your build. So he sent me a picture, and I was like, wow, that is amazing. And he was like, thank you. And then he told me, I'm going to send it to you. I'm like, really? You don't have to. And he's like, no, I insist, since you sent me one of yours. And this is what he sent me. A Dodge Viper that he customized. He did the decal work, details, and painted it. And this turned out pretty sick. What an amazing job that he did here. I'm actually like blown away. This thing is awesome. That is awesome. So guys, that finalizes the mail call here. I know it was kind of rushed through a little bit, but I wanted to make a video for you guys because I felt really bad for not getting a video out lately, and I wanted to thank you guys all for supporting me and the fish tank. If you guys are interested in any of my car customs, please let me know down in the comments or contact me on Instagram, because majority or not all of them are for sale right now. I am looking to get rid of some of my builds so I can make room for new ones, and I'm just ready to share my craft with the rest of the world. So guys, thank you for stopping by the fish tank, and I will see you in the next one. Remember guys, this video will be coming out shortly, probably in the next week and a half, and I want you guys to stay tuned because this one's going to be a cool build. I'm very excited for this one. Bye guys. This video is sponsored by Hobbytown. Hobbytown is an awesome hobby store where you can find all your hobbies' wants and needs. They provide everything from your tools and supplies to an awesome variety of paints, from spray paints to paints for your airbrush. To find your local Hobbytown, you can go to www.hobbytown.com to use the store locator at the top center of the homepage to find the closest store near you. Again, the website to use is www.hobbytown.com. Remember, we make your free time awesome.